Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we will be finishing off this Google Slides project on how to do Google Slides. This is part 3. And before I begin, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up and subscribe. So what we're going to be doing is, what I did was I managed to change the background theme because before it was just pure yellow, and I changed it to gradient yellow. And I'm going to tell you how to do that. Here is a button called background. If you press it, you get an option of color options for the background, and you have an option to change option for an image. I'm using the color option instead of using the other options given. So I changed mine to this. And if I want to have this for my entire theme. So I am going to press add to theme. And now my work has a different background. And all slides that I open will have this background. So we're going to finish working on this part, on the second slide. And I'm going to tell you how to add a text box. So here is a button with a T. It's called text box, and here you can put your insert and insert a text box where you can type up something. So I'm going to type up a little title. What are cats? Or something along the lines, or just cats. So I'll first change the theme. I'll first change the font to the theme font that we have. And I'm going to increase the font size and underline text. Now I want to, instead of keeping it to the left-hand side, add the alignment to the center. So here is a button where there are a few lines. Once you click that, you can see what you can do, what alignments you can have basically. And I chose the center alignment, so I clicked it, which will center is this one, and it would go into the center directly. Now I'm going to start writing, and to do that I'm going to decrease the font to make it look a bit less tightly. So I'm going to start writing about cats. So I write cats without the underlining, which you can take off by pressing Ctrl U or by just clicking the button again. So I'll write, pets are wonderful creatures that have set peace on this earth. As soon as they were able to be tamed, they won hearts. So I've written a bit about cats, and now I'm going to place an image so I can fill up the gap that's over here. So what I'll do to insert an image is go into the insert button, press the image, and press search the web. Here I'll get a way to search up any image. So I'll just type cats, and I will get many pictures of cats. I think maybe I might be a bit more precise and say what sort of cats I want by saying cute cats. Here I received many more pictures, and I'm just going to select one picture to fill up the gap. I think I might do this one. Insert, and my image will come right into. Okay. Now that I have an image, I will go into here and start placing a few pictures. I think that I will do something, a picture above here, a picture here, and a caption of what that cat is doing. So I'll quickly just find a picture. This is mostly about cats, so I'm just doing a themed piece of work, but you can do anything you like for this piece of work, because this is just a simple idea I'm doing. So I have a picture of a cat, I'm going to write cat confused. At the something like, and then I'm going to maybe put a couple more, and then that's it. Google Slides is very simple. It's a very simple sort of app to use. But then if we use things like PowerPoint, they have more features and more interesting things to do. Cat staring into a pond. Then I might put one more, and then add a few more animations, and then that's it. And you manage to successfully make something on Google Slides. So let's just add one more picture. Okay. And And now I'm going to finish off by adding a final animation to this. Because I remember, if I go to slideshow, after this image directly appears and it will look a bit weird if it's just like this. So what I'm going to do is add an animation to make it look a bit more, so that it makes a bit more sense on what it is. And I'm going to add this. And so there we are. So we successfully made a, a, a presentation on Google Slides, and I'll show you how mine works. If you followed what I did, then maybe yours might be a bit like, then yours will be a bit like mine. So let's begin.